Hello everyone, today we are in the heart of Milan, a truly iconic place. During this time, Milano Beauty Week 2025 is taking place, making the city even more lively and vibrant. Beauty, fashion, lifestyle, everything is coming together to create a unique atmosphere. In this video, I will take you on a complete walk from Duomo di Milano, along Corso Vittorio Emanuele II, all the way to San Babila, sharing my experiences, interesting spots, crowds, shops, restaurants, everything. As you can see, the streets are filled with MBW 2025 decorations, pop-up stalls, and lighting installations. Milano Beauty Week started in 2022 and is organized by Cosmetica Italia, Cosmoprof and Esxence. The theme is beauty and well-being for all, celebrating beauty, health, and creativity. The area around Duomo Square is especially lively these days, with locals, tourists, and people from the beauty industry all coming together. Now we've arrived in front of Duomo di Milano, a magnificent Gothic cathedral started in 1386 and completed after several centuries. It is one of the largest cathedrals in Europe. In front of the cathedral, you can see pigeons, photographers, tourists, and locals all mingling. Walking around, the scale of this building truly amazes you. It is said that Duomo can hold up to 40,000 people inside. That's enough for an entire crowd. We can also enjoy the cave souvenir stores and street artists in the square, soaking in the lively atmosphere. Now we are walking along Corso Vittorio Emanuele II, the main shopping street connecting Duomo Square to San Babila Square. This street has major fashion and cosmetic stores like Zara, Mango, Bershka, Pinko and Kiko Milano. The shop windows display seasonal trends, attracting everyone's attention. The vibe is unique luxury stores, fast fashion brands, and street food stalls all together. Tourists, locals, and shoppers create a vibrant atmosphere throughout the day. As the day comes to an end, the city lights start to glow. Shop windows sparkle, restaurant lights warm the streets, and street performers play music. Walking through the crowd, you feel part of the city's energy. This vibe is truly indescribable. This concludes our walk from Duomo Corso Vittorio Emanuele to San Babila. Thanks to Milano Beauty Week 2025, the city looks even more beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment and tell me which spot was your favorite. I'll be back soon with more Milan walks. Arrivederci.